second project, electric stove. This is locally electric stove. This is a heating element. So to improve this one, we have to modify by using the local and the imported ones. So here is which somewhat modified from this heating element is made in other countries and also imported. We have took this heating element or buy this heating element, or we can, and also we by using different design we can shape it like this one. This is almost a clay bar inserted in half. Almost you can buy or you can get this from any electric stove. This design is prepared for this purpose or for this. You have to use this one like that. Here, by inserting this one into this one, this is also made countries. Simply you can use this one or you can buy this one. After that you can fix this one. You have to fix this one. You have to fix this one. Here, now you can connect this one by using electric terminals or jumper. Simply, this is also we have get this one from the imported part one, or you can exchange or you can buy this one from any market. This is the switch which used for controlling the temperature, or what we call the temperature controller. Here is more used when you replace the manual one by using this one. Almost you have to fix this one lines. The first line is this one. You have to give this for this one. For this one. The second one is this one, which is coming from the power supply. And then you have to connect this one to the second line, or what we call or neutral line. Almost here the heating plate gets the power supply, which is coming for maybe the heating element's performance or heating element's response is somewhat low, but it is best controller or best to control the temperature of the heating elements. But this is very suitable for using or for putting different materials or things during the cooking or during doing something in our home. And also this is more modified than the previous one.